If you have a 2006 to 2012 Toyota Rav4 and you want to put a grill guard, a bumper guard, first you need to remove this plastic. This is this mud or rain guard, mud guard in the bottom. So when you remove it, you'll be able to reach those two bolts, those two over here and two over there. With them you can just remove them and set your grill guard. After you remove the bolts, you put those hooks are the base that goes into your chassis or frame. You remove the bolt and then you put this base. This base will be attached to the bottom of the grill guard. Yes, each bolt has two in the bottom, or you can put one in the bottom, one by the screw, and you align them like this. 1, 2, 3. Since I'm alone, I hook it. So after you bolt turn to the main grill guard, you bolt in the headlight protectors. Once you do that, you tighten everything, and then this is how your car is going to look when you finish up. The little problem I had was hooking up these. They stabilize the whole thing, so when you're driving high speed, I had issues doing that. But your mechanic, your professional will figure it out, and then you'll be all set.